When you have to apply any property of log, what is important? Sarah, what is important when you want to apply any property of log?
Base.
Base needs to be same. The first step in any question of log you should approach is basically the base should be same, otherwise you cannot do anything. The first step is very obvious. We'll apply the base change formula. We'll write this as log of sine square x by 2 to the base 2. This also we can write as 1 by log of cos square x to the base 2. This also will follow the same process. Is it fine? Makes sense. Because without this, I cannot do anything to a log question. Base needs to be same. Otherwise, no property is valid. Now you take LCM. If you take LCM, this will become cos square x to the base 2. This will become sine square x to the base 2. This will become 2. And everything will come in denominator. Is it fine? Any doubt till here? See, now this is not even important to write this part in the denominator. You can directly write from there to here. So we have skipped 2-3 steps in between. Shortcut. So multiple small shortcuts I'm taking. Now what will you do? Now base is same. You can apply log m by m to the base n plus log of n to the base a. It can be written as log of mn. So this will become sine square x into cos square x. Now this becomes till here. So you can see that there is nothing we have done that is related to trigonometric equation. This is a question of log, and more specifically logarithmic equation. And more specifically, if you look into the problem type, problems based on property set 1. Okay, so it is a very specific problem type from log that we have picked up, and now we are connecting this to what we know. So now from here till here there is nothing to be discussed. Now we'll just raise this to the part. Now from here trigonometry comes into picture. Now if this is the question, then probably I can multiply by 4 on both the sides. And there is a specific reason for doing that. What is the reason? The reason is that if I do this, I can write this as cos square 2x. Now this becomes a standard question because this can be written as sine square pi by 2. So I can apply the formula for sine square x is equal to sine square y. What is the formula? Athira. This is the formula. So twice of x will be equal to n pi plus minus pi by 2. Or x comes out to be n pi plus minus pi. Is it clear? So you can see that little bit and a log we have taken. After this step, there are 2 steps of trigonometric identities we have used. And you can see a very specific idea. Problem type from here that we have put is multiple angle formula. Okay, and after that, in the last part only, this is the last part, we are applying trigonometric equation. Okay? So a good question is nothing but concoction of multiple ideas. Multiple problem types. You need to understand, you need to remember those problem types and need to link them in series. If you do that, you can solve complex questions also.